Have you ever wondered why the 1967 Ford Mustang is still one of the most searched classic cars in America today? Even after nearly 6 decades, this muscle car continues to dominate car shows, auctions, and YouTube searches. From its aggressive fastback design to the roaring V8 engine, the 1967 Mustang is not just a car, it's a symbol of American performance and freedom. But what makes this specific year so special? Why do collectors pay over $70,000 for a clean example? And is it still worth buying in 2026? Stay with me, because today we are diving deep into one of the most legendary muscle cars ever built. Welcome back to Car Og 765, your home for classic American car appreciation. If you love timeless machines and powerful engines, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a classic legend. The 1967 Ford Mustang was the first major redesign of the original Mustang that debuted in 1964. Ford made it bigger, wider, and more aggressive. The front grille became more pronounced, the body lines sharper, and the overall stance more muscular. This was the year Mustang truly transformed from a sporty compact car into a real muscle car. One of the biggest highlights of the 1967 model was the fastback version. The sleek roofline flowing into the rear gave it a race-inspired look. This design later became iconic, especially because of the Shelby GT500 introduced the same year. The fastback is still the most desirable body style among collectors. Now let's talk about performance. The base model came with a 200 cubic inch inline-6 engine. It was reliable, but not very exciting. The real magic started with the V8 options. Buyers could choose the 289 cubic inch V8, which delivered strong performance for its time. But the true beast was the 390 cubic inch V8 engine producing around 320 horsepower. In 1967, that kind of power was serious business. With the 390 V8, the Mustang could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 7 seconds, which was impressive for the late 1960s. The deep exhaust sound and raw acceleration made it a favorite among performance enthusiasts. Inside, the 1967 Mustang featured a classic American interior. You had bucket seats, a simple but stylish dashboard, round gauges, and optional wood trim. It wasn't overloaded with technology, and that's exactly why people love it today. It feels mechanical, connected, and real. Safety and handling were improved compared to earlier models. Ford reinforced the chassis and upgraded the suspension. Front disc brakes became available, which was a big improvement for stopping power. Today, the 1967 Ford Mustang remains extremely popular in the United States. If you're looking for a project car, you might find one starting around $15,000 to $25,000 depending on condition. A fully restored fastback can easily sell between $40,000 and $70,000. And if we're talking about a genuine Shelby GT500, prices can go well beyond $100,000. Another reason for its popularity is customization. Many owners convert their 1967 Mustangs into resto mods, classic body with modern engines, upgraded suspension, and new technology. This keeps the vintage look but adds modern reliability. So is it worth buying in 2026? If you love classic American muscle, absolutely yes. The value has remained strong for years, and demand continues to grow. It's not just a car, it's an investment and a piece of automotive history. The 1967 Ford Mustang represents freedom, power, and timeless American design. Every time you hear that V8 rumble, it reminds you why the golden era of muscle cars will never die. Let me know in the comments, would you choose the 1967 Mustang or the 1969 Camaro? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Og 765 for more classic car legends.